Okay, this is going to start the Part 1 review for Mastery Test 1B that you have coming up here. So the first part here is rounding decimal values. Okay, if you look at the chart there, it tells you when you round whole numbers, you look at the tenths digit, that tells you what to round. When you round to the tenths, you look at the hundredths to tell you how to round it. When you round to the hundredths, you look at the thousandths digit to tell you how to round it. Okay, so when you look at what is part 2 on the bottom, it says round each value to the underlined place. So for A, the 7 is underlined, so I am going to look to the right of the 7, which is the 0, and the 0 is going to tell me what to do to the 7. Remember, if the number to the right of the place you're rounding is 0 through 4, it stays the same. If it's 5 or higher, you would round up. So since this one's 0, we're going to leave the 7 alone, and it's just going to be 25.7. Okay, for B, the 8 is underlined, so I look to the right. That is the 5. Again, if it's 5 or up, it's going to tell you need to round up. So that becomes 110.69. The 5 tells me to round the 8 to a 9. Okay, you can go ahead and complete C through E on your own. There is more to this one on the back of this page. And here, this side talks about rounding nines. Okay, when you have to round a 9, what do you do? Okay, so again, we look at the underlined digit. Okay, in this case, it's a 9 for letter A. I look to the right, it's a 6. Okay, that 6 tells me I need to round up. So my 9 is going to become a 0, and the number to the left of the 9 goes up by 1. So it's kind of like taking 39 and making it 40 in a way, because instead of 7.39, we're going to have 7.40. Okay, you have to have a digit in the place you're rounding to. Now if we look at B, there's the 9. The number to the right of the 9 is a 4. Okay, so I'm looking at that 4. Again, if it's 4 or lower, it says stay the same. So this stays as 7.39, and that's where we leave it. Okay, you can go ahead and do C, D, E, F, G, and H on your own. Remember, when you're all completed with part 1 of the review, you need to bring it to me to get checked. If they're all right, you can go on to another one. All right, go ahead.